Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I'm connecting my in-ground lawn irrigation system to the tap using a tap timer to set up a simple automatic watering system. If you haven't seen my previous video where I installed the in-ground irrigation system for the lawn, I'll leave a link to that video in the description and you can catch up with that one. Otherwise, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, so this is the setup that I'll be using to connect my sprinkler system to the tap. So I've just got a simple adapter here, which this end here will screw onto the tap, and then it's got 4 outlets, so I can put the tap timer on one, have a spare one for just a hose, and then have a couple left over for adding future zones or anything like that. And then I've got the tap timer here, which is the same one that I was using in my older videos to water the front lawn, and that it worked really well, so I'm going to just keep using that. And then I've just got an adapter here which screws onto the tap timer and then allows you to connect the pipe to the other end. So that's the simple setup there. So now I'll go outside and put it all together. Okay, so to test it, all we have to do is push manual and it should run. So that's on for 10 minutes, so we'll just change that to 2 minutes and we'll see if the water's coming out and any leaks. There it is running. Flushing the lines out. So that's all running good. So now we can switch it off and hopefully none of this setup should leak. Looks pretty good. So that's about it. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll get back to you. And if you enjoy lawn content, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. And if you're interested in seeing how I got to this point in the lawn, I have a playlist on the channel where you can go back and watch from the very start. Otherwise, I appreciate you guys tuning in and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.